ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Talang Nongwar. Your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Ulat ke Jelau Phagu Chauhan minta kasngi ulapun kuburam ya arpungut ikna NCC cadet naka kenhun Meghalaya ke bami khmat ya North Eastern Directorate Hak Republic Day Camp Arja Afsau kabalalong ha New Delhi ya kani kejing put kuburam lapelong Raj Bhavan Shillong bar ha kani kejing put kuburam ikna NCC glayo jing harap dak bisa haringkat bagi momentus ha kani kejing put kuburam lai don lang Principal Secretary Harish Chandra Chaudhary IFS Additional Director General ke NCC North Eastern Region Major General Gagandeep Group Commander NCC Group Shillong Brigadier Vijayan Mahadik NCC Officers Cadets Nalor ki Weipat hakakerwa khubor na ulat ke jala Chauhan ula ke jingero ya jingla abanle abha jongki cadet hakapor barki ya Republic Day Parade bar ula pedang ru ya rukom banjit ya cadets nakathan ki bala shisha ban pendap hok.
All this is just an outcome. The aim which remains for us, which we have to continue to engage all the youth of Northeast, is national integration. If we are one, a country is one, a country progresses, we progress. And like the Honorable Secretary mentioned, our strength lies in Ek Bharat. Because only when it is Ek Bharat, it will be Shresth Bharat. I once again congratulate each and every cadet, PI staff, ANOs, and officers of Meghalaya Shillong Group, NCC, for outstanding achievement throughout the year. And I extol on each one of them that once you have achieved something, next year you have to work harder to achieve more than what you have gained till then. And I'll be amiss in my duty if I don't thank all the education institutes and the principals and vice principals who are here, because it is only through their support that cadets are available to us. And let me assure the Honorable Governor and each one of you that every effort will be put in by each staff of National Cadet Corps to ensure that youth of Northeast gets a bright future.
Citation to Major General Gagandeep, NCC North Battalion, NCC.
Gentlemen,
Cadet Yuvraj Sonar from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion, NCC. Cadet Zechariah Toy from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion, NCC. Senior Under Officer Nasib R. Marak from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion, NCC. Junior Under Officer Ngamba Singha from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion, NCC.
yes sir.
Cadet Roshan Sharma from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion, NCC.
This one.
Cadet Ronak Gurum from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion, NCC.
Next one.
Senior Under Officer Vivian Alexander Lindo Nongde from 42 Meghalaya Battalion NCC.
This one.
Senior Under Officer Ibashida Limba from 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC.
This one.
Corporal Amida Hunchadak from 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC. Lance Corporal Doma Rai from 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC. Junior Under Officer Wanda Kamonlang Lingdo from 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC. Senior Under Officer M. Jessica Com from 42 Meghalaya Battalion NCC. Senior Under Officer Peniki Lingdo Nongom from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC. Junior Under Officer Zarinia Rapsang from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC.